Polishing your essay, clarity, coherence, and organization. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of essay writing, specifically focusing on revising and editing the body paragraphs of your SAT and ACT essays. A crucial part of this process is ensuring clarity, coherence, and organization. This is the backbone of a great essay. Let's find out how you can achieve that. Remember, a well-structured essay not only scores high but also engages and informs the reader effectively. When we talk about clarity, we mean how easily a reader can understand your writing. 1. Read aloud. This is a great technique to detect confusing sentences or phrasing. If something sounds off or confusing when you say it, it might need revising. 2. Simple is strong. Avoid using jargons or complex words when a simpler word will do. Keep sentences concise. 3. Be specific. Avoid vague language. If you're providing an example or reason, be clear about it. Coherence means the flow of your essay. Your ideas should transition smoothly from one to the next. 1. Transition words. Use phrases like, furthermore, however, in addition, to guide the reader through your argument. 2. Relevant examples. Ensure that the examples you use directly support your main point. Irrelevant information can disrupt the flow. 3. Consistent tense. If you started writing in the past tense, stick with it. Shifting tenses can confuse the reader. A well-organized essay is like a well-organized closet. Everything is in its place and easy to find. 1. Main idea first. Start with your primary argument or main point. This sets the tone and provides direction. 2. Supporting points. After your main idea, present supporting points or evidence in a logical order. This can be from least to most important or vice versa. 3. Stay on topic. Don't stray too far from your main argument. Every sentence should support or relate to the main idea. And that's a wrap on today's session on revising and editing body paragraphs for clarity, coherence, and organization. Remember, your essay is your voice. Make it as clear and compelling as possible. We hope this video has been insightful and will aid you in crafting excellent essays for your SAT and ACT tests. Happy writing, and see you next time.